So, guys, welcome back to that Data Nerds. Today's topic will be about a Amazon question tagged on Strata Scratch. This is a hard question, which has been tagged as hard. But as we go ahead and solve it, you would see that it's pretty much solvable and really easy. It's just that there are some numerical calculations that involved and calculation of lag that makes it get tagged as hard. It's also one of those questions that gets asked at Amazon a lot. Um, like I have given Amazon interview like 7 times, and nearly 3 or 4 times at least this question has been asked from me. So yeah, let's just get started. So this question is about monthly percentage difference. I have been given a table of purchases by date, and we need to calculate the month over month percentage change in revenue. The output should include the year month date, YYYYMM, and the percentage change rounded to the second decimal point and sorted from the beginning of the year to the end of the year. The percentage change column will be populated from the second month forward and can be calculated as this month's revenue minus last month's revenue by last month's revenue into 100. Now, the obvious things should be the percentage change column will be populated from the second month forward, obviously, because we are calculating only for a year basis. We don't have data for the prior year. So, we don't have data for 2018 December. So, that is why 2019-01 has null. There is no data. Secondly, this month's revenue minus last month's revenue divided by the last month's revenue into 100 is pretty much the standard formula for calculating the revenue difference. Um, it is not just related to this question, but overall, like in statistics or in economics, this is the standard formula that is correct, that is used. So let's just start by writing the to find. So the to find here is the revenue difference, but in percentage terms. In percentage terms, revenue difference is this month's revenue minus previous month's revenue, the whole thing divided by the previous month revenue, and the whole thing multiplied by 100. All right, this is the to find. What we have been given is a table called underscore transactions, which has two columns. Sorry, it has multiple columns. It has four columns. Uh, First is ID, second is created at, third is value, and fourth is purchase ID. We don't really care about this and this in this particular question because like it doesn't provide any value for us. Only created at and value will provide us information, but created at should be in a format of date format, um, YYYYMM. Um, so the pseudocode would be, um, we would first calculate the sum of the value grouped by the months in date format, year, month, Once we have done this, we will add a lag of value to get previous value. This will be the current value. This will be the previous value. Current value minus previous value whole by previous value multiplied by 100 should give us the revenue diff percent. Now let's start coding it. We can first create a CTE. When we first create a CTE, let's just write select from. We don't really need a on here, but we would need a group by. So group by. Let's write created at. But in created at needs a date format function. Um, we need exclamation. So date format is generally written as percentage y percentage m as ym. We would also need the sum of the total value. So sum of value as total value from sf underscore transactions group by 1, right? Now if we move to CTE1, we will have ym. We will have the total value, and we can calculate a total values previous value by using lag function. Lag is a window function that provides the previous value over uh, ordered by the particular date or thing that you want to order by. So over order by, we can specify ym here as the prep val. We can specify this that this is taking value from CTE. Now I have done this because I want to get the previous value total and the total value separately. But what you can also do is something that I will show you in another like in as a subsequent part of this when we have coded this out. Um, so select ym comma total value minus previous value by the previous value. Oh, sorry. This should be prep value, right? So prep value, 100. We would also need a function. Let's just ignore it for now and let's just see what happens, and we can always come back to it. As revenue diff PCT from CTE1. Let's just run this. Yeah, we don't really need a round here. Um, but it's always safe to add a round function just in case it would have more than 2 decimal points. No, I don't want this. I want this. Yep. So I don't, let me just here. Bracket is still there. Okay. Let's just go ahead and submit. Yep, that works. Okay. Now, what I could have also done is what I was telling you is that ignore the total, like ignore the lag over here, um, and just in the previous value, when you creating the previous value, just put the lag over there itself. So I can just do this, and then what will happen is I can remove the whole of CTE1, and I can just write this total value minus the lag of the total value with comma 1. How many previous value do we want to see, like what is the previous. I could have specified 2, but that would have gone to 2 previous months, like the second previous and the previous of that month. But that is not what we need. We need the previous month. So that is why we have specified a comma 1 over here. Over order by the YM is the year month, divided by the lag of the total value over order by the year month as revenue difference percentage from CTE1. Now let's just run it. Oh yeah, of course. Now it says an error because CTE1 has been removed. So from CTE, I can just run this and we are good. So that is the solution for this question. As I said, it was an Amazon tag question. In fact, it was marked as hard, but it's not really, as you might have seen, it's not really a hard question when you come to think of it. Pretty much straightforward. Just uses lag. So yeah, that is pretty much it. If you like this video, please feel free to drop a like. And if you want me to be inspired and create more videos, please subscribe to my channel. It would really give me a lot of inspiration. Thank you. Thank you so much.